Stick around for a Slime Time Extra right after this episode.
We're about to start something big.
I'm SpacePOP's biggest fan. They promised me an interview.
Majesties, a message is coming in from Captain Handsome. I so hope this isn't another rebel mission.
Then we better change into our spy outfits. We'll be just a second.
You'll be longer than that.
Wanna bet?
Oh.
Hera? Spy outfit?
Oh, my bad. I thought you said spa outfit. Thanks, friend. Take the night off.
Awesome! Now I can watch Dancing with Geela.
I hear your SpacePOP concert on Junoia was awesome.
Oh, thanks, Captain Handsome. Wait, you didn't watch it?
No one did, unless they were there. Geela jammed your signal with an episode of Geela Goes Fishing.
Geela can't bump us off the hollow of his channels.
Actually, she can. Her comm center overrides everyone else's content.
Which brings me to your mission. Find and destroy Geela's hidden comm center. It's on your planet, Juno.
Not for long it won't be.
I wonder where they're going.
Maybe we should try that cave.
Whose planet are we on again?
Yours, but those soldiers are Geela's.
She's right. Head for the cave. With those android soldiers around, we must be close to Geela's hidden comm center.
To being caught and liquidated.
Chamberlain, we'll stick together. Like the three Martineers said, all for one and one for all. How about some light, Sprinkle? Not on me, on the path.
Good job spotting Geela's soldiers, Hera. I take back every bad thing I ever said about you.
Juno, look! What a gorgeous flower.
I take back my taking it back.
Come on, Juno. Sometimes we must stop and smell the roses.
Did you ever smell a Junoian rose?
No, but my allergies are acting up. Could you smell it for me, Chamberlain?
Have I mentioned that I don't much enjoy gross, creepy caverns?
Well, we're fresh out of clean, well-lit ones. You'll have to make do.
Ah!
This end of the cavern should put us behind Geela's soldiers and closer to her hidden comm center.
Will it also get us closer to a shower? This cave moss stinks.
Tell me about it. Yuck!
Call it a wild hunch, but I think we found Geela's hidden comm center.
I almost didn't catch you guys.
Bradbury?
I've been chasing you since the concert. Wow, with those outfits, you look like rebels or something.
Us? Rebels? Why, that's absurd.
So, about that interview.
Bradbury, excuse us just a teensy second.
I told you this guy was going to be trouble. I can handle this.
What if I distract him while the four of you attack the comm center? Sweetie, you're braver than I am. Bradbury, how'd you like a one-on-one interview with me?
Oh.
Why do you make human laughter?
This creature is tickling me. Oh, stop. I beg you. We are not programmed to deal with gigantic cuteness.
This is disgusting. Why must we sneak in through a trash chute?
Duh, because it's too stinky to be guarded.
Hera, you can't eat that old donut. It's hard as a rock.
But it'll make a cute paperweight.
Huh? Oh no, it's Empress Geela herself.
I feel like I'm being watched.
You are Empress. Your shows get billions of views. They're the only shows on the HoloViz channels now.
Guard this place well, so they stay that way.
We have to destroy this comm center without letting Geela see us. Ha ha! How about I use that on all this delicate machinery? That's the toughest delicate machinery that I've ever hit with a wrecking ball.
I can hack into their system and... Ah! Geela's pop-ups! They're opening faster than I can close them.
Princesses?
If I can reverse the charge on my comlink, I can erase all her files. Great. I erased my comlink.
Ahem.
I could give her a hug. If Geela had a little more love in her life, I bet she'd be nicer.
I beg your pardon, Empress Geela. It will not happen again.
No, it won't, you clumsy robot oaf!
If you need me, I will be in the repair shop. Ouch.
I don't think there are enough hugs in the galaxy to make her nice.
Ahem!
Are you coming down with a cold?
I suggest we simply press the self-destruct button that is just around that corner.
But how do we get to it with Geela's soldiers there?
I used to pitch for the Junoia meteors. Stand back, girls. Hurrah!
Self-destruct sequence begun. Please panic and run around pointlessly.
What? Who did that?
Gotta run. See ya.
Bye-bye!
Soldiers, stop them! Destroy them!
Busted! There are rebels inside! Get them!
Good job, Mikey.
We gotta save Luna from Bradbury. The black and white is very artistic.
Nah, I accidentally turned off the color. Now I can't get it back on. My memory card's almost full. I really need to see the other girls.
But first, let's take a selfie.
Why would a place even have a self-destruct button?
Probably a required safety feature in case of runaway robots or monsters.
Actually, makes a weird kind of sense.
How much time do we have left?
4,
4 minutes. Oh, we'll be out of range by then.
3, 2,
You mean seconds?
1. Yeah.
Say, wasn't there a building there a second ago?
Out there? Nah.
I'm angry, but I'll get over it once I get all my shows back!
Could you give me a lift back to the arena?
With Geela's comm center destroyed, our comm set is getting tons of views!
He can't post a picture of Juno flying one of Geela's hovercars.
Bradbury, you can't use that. Juno's not wearing a safety helmet.
Oh, okay. I'll delete it. Wait, what? A safety helmet?
Yep, we Junoians are big on safety.
Our first mission, and I missed it!
Luna, you were as important as any of us. You kept our secret, which was almost blown by Bradbury.
I know, but he's so sweet. And it seems so easy to distract.
Bravo, ladies! Excellent job!
And I hope SpacePOP can now return to the comparatively peaceful life of a touring rock band.
But Geela still holds the princess's parents and the galaxy in her evil grip. Can the Resistance count on you?
Yes, you can.
Always.
Duh.
Try and stop me.
What was the question again? I'm kidding. What they said.
SpacePOP, before we say anything more, I have a secret to reveal.
Captain? I don't understand.
I've been in disguise all this time, waiting until this moment when I can totally, utterly trust you all with my secret.
It's quite a pleasant surprise, since you're even more handsome now, Captain Handsome.
Remember how it used to be? A perfect life, then suddenly, it all came crashing in on me. I didn't know what to believe, until you came along. I know, never lose hope, never let go, no matter what comes. I know, the harder we try, the higher we fly, no matter what comes our way. It's all